Please pay attention to this.
I don't know how to build a dam. I don't know how to get 1 million people involved in anything. Well, let me tell you a secret. No one does when they begin. Ideas don't come out fully formed. They only become clear as you work on them. You just have to get started.
It's hard to start the gym. Easy to keep going. Hard to make some money. Easy to turn it into more money. Fire is surprisingly difficult to start. But once it's raging, it spreads extremely easily. Success is...